Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email on Facebook. Let's start. At first, you have to open your Facebook app. And in here, tap on the menu bar. After that, you guys can find out the gear button. Tap on here. Then scroll down and try to find out profile details. Once you have find out that, tap on here and then try to find out contact info. Tap on the edit. After that, tap on manage contact info, and in here you guys can find out add email address. Tap on here. Then you can add an additional email address. Tap on here and then write here email address. And after that, to save this setting, enter your Facebook password. It will be saved on your account. In that way, you guys can add an email address to your Facebook account. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make you learn better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.